Welcome to UK Pathway Hub, your trusted space for everything related to UK immigration and visa options. Here, we break down and compare different pathways to help you make informed decisions about your future in the UK. Whether it's student visas, work routes, or settlement opportunities, we bring you clear, practical, and updated guidance. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment so you never miss out on valuable updates and tips that could shape your journey. Why this update matters right now. A major shift has just been announced in the UK's immigration and residency system. And if you're living in the UK on a visa, planning to apply for indefinite leave to remain, or even already holding permanent status, this directly affects you. For years, migrants and residents have relied on documents like biometric residence permits to prove their legal status. But the UK government is now taking a bold step toward a brand new digital first ID card system, alongside new rules around visas and ILR applications. These are not small tweaks. They represent the start of a transition that will shape the way migrants live, work, and prove their identity in the UK for years to come. In today's update, recorded on the 8th of September, I'll break down what has changed, why it's happening now, and what you should do next to stay fully compliant and informed. The new UK ID card, what you need to know. One of the biggest announcements is the introduction of a brand new ID card system designed to replace older physical residence documents. Unlike the BRP cards, which many people currently hold, this new card will be part of a broader digital immigration status framework. What this means in practice is that, over time, migrants and residents won't need to carry bulky physical documents to prove their rights. Instead, the government will issue these new ID cards while also linking them to an online system, making checks by employers, landlords, and authorities far more streamlined. The stated goal is efficiency and security, but the impact is wide-reaching. If you are currently holding a BRP, you may be wondering whether it is still valid. The short answer is yes, but only until the official cutoff date set by the Home Office. After that, everyone will need to transition to the new format. ILR updates, changes you must understand. For those applying for indefinite leave to remain, the recent changes bring both challenges and opportunities. The ILR process has always required careful preparation, but from this September update onwards, the government is aligning ILR applications more closely with the digital identity system. What this means is that in addition to meeting the residency, language, and life in the UK requirements, applicants should also expect to use the updated digital verification process linked with the new ID card. The transition may feel confusing at first, but the government has confirmed that older applicants who already hold BRPs or existing ILR documentation will not lose their status. Instead, they will be gradually shifted into the new system. However, if you are currently planning to apply, you should be aware of new timelines, possible fee adjustments, and stricter evidence checks. This change is designed to reduce fraud, but it also raises the bar for accuracy and documentation. Visa Rule Adjustments September 2025 updates. Alongside ILR, the Home Office has also confirmed several tweaks to visa categories that will impact students, skilled workers, and family route applicants. One of the headline points is the government's continued effort to make all visa applications digitally accessible. This means that physical paperwork is being reduced, and more applications will require you to verify identity through online portals rather than mailing documents. Additionally, there are discussions about fee adjustments that could make some categories more expensive. For example, work visa applicants may notice higher charges, while family reunification applications might involve tighter financial thresholds. Students, too, could be affected by proof of funds requirements. While these changes might seem administrative, they are part of a larger effort to bring every aspect of the UK immigration system under one digital umbrella. For applicants, this means being more proactive, double-checking documentation, and preparing earlier than before to avoid delays. Why the UK is making these changes? Whenever the government rolls out big changes, the question always comes up, why now? The answer is layered. First, the UK has been under pressure to modernize its immigration system, moving away from paper-based and easily forged documents. By shifting to digital IDs, The Home Office aims to improve national security and prevent misuse of immigration status. Second, Brexit played a major role. With European citizens no longer enjoying automatic free movement, the UK needed a system that could handle millions of immigration checks smoothly and consistently. Third, the government is focused on cost reduction and efficiency. A digital system is cheaper to maintain than printing millions of cards every few years. But it's not just about efficiency, it's also about control. These changes allow the government to adapt rules quickly, update systems in real time, and monitor immigration more closely than ever before. What you should do next. So what does all of this mean for you in practical terms? If you're holding a BRP card, keep using it until the official expiry date, but stay alert for notifications from the Home Office about when you'll need to transition. If you are applying for ILR or a visa soon, double-check the updated requirements and make sure your documents are in perfect order. Digital errors can cause unexpected delays. For those already holding ILR, the key action is to prepare for the eventual move into the digital ID system. The safest approach is to treat this update not as a distant change, but as a call to prepare today. The smoother your transition, the fewer surprises you'll face later. And remember, immigration rules are updated frequently, so staying informed is not optional, it's essential. Closing and call to action. To wrap up, let's quickly recap. The UK is rolling out a brand new ID card linked to a digital system. BRP cards will eventually be phased out. ILR applications now require tighter compliance with digital verification, and several visa categories are being adjusted in cost and process. These are major shifts that will affect nearly every migrant and resident in the UK. The best thing you can do right now is prepare, stay informed, and make sure you don't miss deadlines. If this video helped clear things up for you, don't forget to subscribe and follow for more updates, because immigration changes in the UK are coming faster than ever. Being one step ahead is not just convenient, it could make all the difference to your future. Thanks for watching UK Pathway Hub, where we simplify UK immigration and visa choices for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and drop your questions in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel so you stay updated with the latest comparisons and insights on UK immigration. Your support helps us continue bringing you the guidance you need on your UK journey.